Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by getting direct access to the locked folder. That means connecting the device and granting file access. Once connected, identify whether the lock is app level or system level. This changes the recovery method. Make sure you enable backup permissions for the app and sign into the same account that held the deleted photos. Now, open the File Manager or Backup tool so you can list files and spot any shadow or cache copies to target first. Next, you run the recovery. Try the app's export or cloud restore before deeper tools because it preserves metadata and is safest. If the folder is encrypted, export the encryption key or decrypt locally so you can copy intact files. Do not write to the same storage. When those fail, use a reputable recovery tool in read-only mode to scan cache, thumbnails, and trash. Once you locate files, copy them to a separate drive to avoid overwriting recoverable data. Finally, you secure what you recovered. Copy photos to 2 locations, a local drive and cloud storage, so one failure doesn't cost you everything. Verify files open and review timestamps and metadata to ensure completeness, then enable scheduled backups and, if needed, reapply strong encryption. Make sure the backup account is synced. If unlocking fails or files appear corrupted, try a different recovery tool or a professional service. When in doubt, stop writing to the original drive to avoid permanent loss.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.